Tim Cook has already teased us with a busy week ahead tweet. And now, just days before Apple's big spring event, the tech giant has pulled the curtain back on a refreshed iPad Air that proves looks aren't everything. It's what's on the inside that counts. Welcome to GadInsider, your place for the latest tech news. While the device remains familiar with the sleek aluminum we love, Apple has swapped the engine for a high-octane M4 chip, which has turned this mid-range tablet into something better equipped and more powerful. The new M4 silicone delivers a staggering 30% speed boost over last year's M3 model, but the real jaw-dropper is actually for the creatives who are still clinging to their M1 iPads. The new Air is up to 4x faster at 3D rendering. With a beefed-up 12 GB of RAM, which is a massive 50% increase, this tablet is designed to chew through heavy multitasking and AAA gaming without breaking a sweat. But it's not just about raw power. Apple's flexing its engineering muscles with two new internal chips as well, the N1 and the C1X. The N1 is bringing the future of connectivity with Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 6, and Thread support. Meanwhile, the C1X has the same custom modem found in the iPhone Air, ensuring your 5G speeds remain lightning fast and battery efficient. Despite the massive internal overhaul, Apple's keeping the price tag grounded. The 11-inch model starts at $599, while the 13-inch Big Air is stopping at $799. Still get the gorgeous liquid retina display, Touch ID, and support for the Apple Pencil Pro, all now backed by the most powerful mobile silicone on the planet. So mark your calendars because pre-order with units hitting shelves on March 11th. For more tech updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.